Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by signing into Salesforce with an admin account. Open Setup using the gear icon in the top right. Type users into the Quick Find box to narrow results. Click Users in the left menu to view the list. Locate the target user by name or email using the list filters. Click the user name to open the Record Details page. Click Edit to make profile changes and prepare to assign a new profile. On the User Edit page, find the Profile Picklist field near the top. Click the Profile drop-down to view available profiles in your org. Choose a standard or a custom profile that matches permission requirements. Confirm the selection by reviewing profile name and description on screen. Be aware that profile changes instantly affect user permissions and access. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save to apply the new profile assignment now. After saving, ask the user to log out and log in to refresh permissions. Have the user attempt key tasks that the new profile should permit, like viewing objects or running reports. Verify access to specific tabs, page layouts, and record types tied to the profile. If something remains restricted, add a permission set to grant specific permissions without changing the profile. Recheck access and adjust sharing rules or role hierarchy if additional visibility is required. Document the change and communicate it to the user promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.